This is room 5303 on the Carnival Luminosa. It's a fully ambulatory room. You got your mailboxes down lower. Very wide door entrance. This is set up with two twin beds. You got night table with a lamp. And then you've got a place to plug your phones in. Over here is another night table and lamp. And the other bed. Behind me, there's your mirrors. There's your desk. You get European and American plug, only one American plug. Here's some drawers. There's your hair dryer. And then there's two more drawers. Here's the closet. It's got shelves. There's your safe. It's down low. And then more shelves and then your life jacket. This closet, you can hang clothes up here. And there's a place for a bar where you can hang clothes even lower. That looks like the bar laying there. Moving over here, here's your bathroom. This is a huge bathroom. There's no step. You can roll right in. Here's your shower area. Very nice shower. You have a bench. Over here is your toilet. A couple of grab bars. There's grab bars in the shower. All the way around. And then over here is your mirror. And there's room to roll up. If you have a wheelchair, you can roll up under the sink. This cabinet here is your refrigerator. Over here is a couch, a table. You get a chair. There's a window there. Your television, which is acting up. And then here's the door to the balcony. Okay, stepping out on the balcony, there's a ramp here. And this is a nice long balcony. You have two chairs, a table. And then here's a look at the room from over here, from the balcony. It's a very nice room.